right, standing outside a 2023 Puma Palomino, more specifically the 31RLQS. Let's get right into it.
I like the updates.
You
nice.
know some of the updates. They
well, even just the visual is nice. Darkened it up down here.
The
so
graphics
it's not,
on the outside.
The light color's not coming down so much. A little cleaner, a little more modern fonts and all that kind of stuff.
Solar prepped.
Nice. Solar prepped, yeah.
With,
you can add a solar panel right here, 20 ampere, which is nice. And then panels up on top.
And then what you got on top.
Put the battery up here for the solar. So
love it.
Easy.
So let's talk about this storage space up here. This is the little stuff that I absolutely love. This is thinking. So this storage here goes all the way through. So it's deep, but if you were to really store something in there, if you didn't have a way to get in there from the inside, you wouldn't be able to reach clear to the back to get stuff. So you can get halfway through there this way. You can go inside, go in through there, and get all the way through that storage. I know it's a little space, but they're thinking through.
Oh yeah,
all the
same
space
up here. This one, that one right up here.
This is storage.
Guess where that goes? It goes right into the laundry room. So you just.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So
you'll see it
storage,
inside.
Or I love the fact that if you wanted to,
take your dirty clothes.
Yeah,
and
if you're
stick it in.
if you know you're going to be out and messy, you just put your washer in this way. I mean, you have to come outside to get them out of the washer, but you throw your dirty clothes in here, so you don't have to even take them inside. But no, if you don't use this for washer and dryer, you got a way to get into some storage there.
It's got the underbelly and insulation and all that. 4 electric stab jacks. So.
Yep. You got your speakers, you got your awning. Slide out on this side. Let's go inside and take a look.
So, all new, check out this nice dark countertop.
I love the dark countertops.
Everywhere.
The dark countertops, and they've darkened up the upholstery for the
look at this.
The couch and recliner.
So it matches the balances. This is nice.
It's cool looking.
It's a sharp color.
It's like this dark.
It's like a charcoal.
Dark gray charcoal, yeah. I like it a lot. Let's see what else we've got. Obviously stuff that's going to stick around forever. The TV. You got the TV with your sound bar underneath, radio, and then the fireplace down there that will absolutely take the chill off. It's not going to warm this entire place, but it will take the chill off. Those aren't just for looks.
And for 2023, they put in a new type of flooring, so it's a crisscross pattern, which I think looks sharp in here.
It does.
And they said it's more durable. It's like a 7-year warranty and all that kind of stuff. But
sweet. So there you go. There's a big old pantry.
Is that, what do you call that?
A door. That's a door.
Yeah.
Refrigerator. That's how you say it if you're a little hillbilly like I am. There's the refrigerator. Good size with somebody's tea in there. Keeping it cool. That is cold. Yeah. 3-burner stove top. You got a little bit of an oven there. Not a full size, but not one of the smaller ones either. So that's nice. You got a big old microwave up here. And some storage here, storage underneath the sink. I love the sink, by the way. I know we've talked about the countertop. You got a cutting board that comes with it, and this little roll-up thing.
You can put your cheese on there and call it your
charcuterie board.
There you go.
Yeah. So there you go. I wouldn't use it as a cutting board and a charcuterie board. I think you should pick one or the other, and I would go with the charcuterie board because charcuterie boards are awesome. I could eat charcuterie boards.
Well, if you cut your cheese.
Yeah, please don't cut the cheese in here, Tim. Not while we're in here filming.
Oh, God. Here, check out
Classic Tim. Let's go back here and check out the bathroom.
They did add a new thermostat, which is all digital and nice.
Okay. In here, you've got, over here in the corner, you got a little corner, what's that called? Medicine cabinet. Got some storage here. Plenty of room in there. That's pretty deep. Plenty of room in this storage for your towels. You got a hook here to hang your towel, which I think is very important. Once you're in here, you want to be able to reach out and grab your towels right there. There's a toilet with a toilet paper roll. Very important. A lot of RVs don't even bother putting a toilet paper roll in. So inside here, we've got the bedroom. Lots of space at the foot of this bed. That you don't see a lot of space like this in a lot of RVs. You know, you're saving space, but with this slide out, you get a lot of space here, so you can change and do what you need to do here. TV backer right up there above the little bit of a dresser you have here.
My favorite part, dude, technology.
That's
a USB-C, not just a USB, the little one for all the latest and greatest.
Oh, really? See, yeah. I don't even know about that stuff.
You need me to put on my nerd glasses?
Oh, yeah, put on your nerd glasses. And like this.
Well, let me tell you. what we have here.
See, what you guys think? You think he's doing a voice now. That's his real voice. Every other time he talks, it's a fake voice. We've got, there's the closet we talked about earlier that you can use as a closet
Or you can stack. I asked them if we could
It
fit
is stackable?
Yeah, it's high enough to stack.
Nice. And so if you're using that for washer and dryer, this is where you would keep all your clothes.
It's pretty big.
Good size. Yeah,
Oh,
you can
big.
get in. You don't have to get in here, but you reach back here to grab stuff. You don't have to. You can get in through here. So plenty of space to hang clothes. You can put clothes in there. Obviously a little bit of storage above here. You've got a place to set any items you may need up alongside there, and there's an outlet right over here. So there you go. Everything you need in this bedroom. You got a separate air conditioner back here to keep things nice and cool. Nothing better than sleeping in a cool bedroom, maybe underneath the blankets. Yeah. It's making me want to do that right now. All right, so there you go, the Puma. Again, I've mentioned this before. Puma was the very first RV I ever stayed in.
Okay.
So they're near and dear to my heart. I love Pumas. They will always mean something to me, and we loved it. Stayed in there. My wife and I stayed in that for like 3 days, a weekend, and just had a blast. It was amazing. So Puma, love these guys, love these RVs. 2023, making some of these changes that are really, really sharp. So
Impressive.
yeah, jump on board if you're ready for a Puma.